Cook for you, spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for you presents Aloo Bhaja. Peel off 2 large potatoes. French fries, cut the potatoes. Remove in a bowl. Wash them and keep aside. Heat up 2 tablespoons mustard oil. Add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. 1/4 teaspoon mustard seeds. 1/4 teaspoon Nigella Seeds. 1/4 teaspoon Fennel Powder. 3 to 4 dried red chillies. 10 to 12 curry leaves. Let them crackle. Sauté for a minute. Add 1 large sliced onion. Fry for 2 minutes or until turns translucent. Add washed potatoes. Mix well. Cook 3 to 4 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. Salt to taste. 1/4 teaspoon chili powder. 1/4 teaspoon cumin powder. Mix everything well. Roast well on low flame. Cover and cook 8 to 10 minutes. Add coriander leaves. Add 2 chopped green chilies. Give it a good mix. Dish out. Our delicious Aloo Bhaja is ready to enjoy. It goes very well with paratha. Do try this recipe and share your valuable feedback in the comment section. Please like and share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.